Hey guys, you've tuned into Moneycontrol. I'm Manisha Gupta, and all eyes on commodities today, and especially crude oil prices, which have been very, very volatile. Overnight was a 2% of a decline, but in the morning today and during the day until now, it has been more than 2% of gains that the crude oil prices are working with. So you have the US crude oil prices up by 2% and trading above $90 per barrel, and it is the Brent prices now nudging that $97 per barrel mark as well. It has to do with the decline in US dollar and the fact that the economic data in Asia has gotten better. That, pardon me, has been supportive. Markets also will watch out for the European Union embargo on Russian oil that begins on 5th of December. If that happens, then we are looking at further tightness into the markets. In any case, there have been supply concerns continuing in case of OPEC and allies, which have talked about cutting 2 million barrels per day of an output from the 1st of November. And in any case, when you look at the OPEC output itself, it's there's a shortfall of 1.36 million barrels per day in any case in the month of October already. So the markets are looking at lower and lower output there. If you look at the US inventories, we have seen a decline in this week onto that as well, by the tune of nearly 3.7 million barrels per week in the previous week, that is. So everywhere that you look, there are supply concerns, falling global inventories, and then this is a winter season demand as well. And this is cyclical. Markets do see strength coming for natural gas, heating oil, and crude oil prices during this period. And given the kind of scenario that we have, there is an expectation that you could be looking at higher prices. I was talking to some banks and brokerages, and they say that you could be looking at $100 per barrel as early as next week itself. And it's not too far away, really. We're just $2.5 to $3 away from that three-digit mark. So there is all possibility you could be looking at higher crude oil prices from here. Also, the fact that Saudi Arabia has cut the prices for the consumers for Asia for the month of December by nearly 40 cents tells you that one, they want to hold on the market, two, that there is demand coming in. As I said, there is stronger economic data in Asia, not so strong data that we've seen in maybe Australia or Europe or US, but the Asian data seems to be getting better now. The Chinese demand seems to be getting slightly stronger as well as compared to the month of September. That has been supportive. The weakness in US dollar a supportive factor as well. The markets will watch out for the US non-farm payroll data today in the evening for further direction. But the belief is that this has been a short market. There could be some binding of short positions, some short covering, even some buying as we look at stronger numbers on charts, and that could be supportive for natural gas as well as the crude prices going forward.